we're gonna cheers for prosperity, long life, okay, and for our channel to grow, and for all our subscribers. We toast to you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make sorrel juice, and sorrel is going to make with, just watch me. I'm going to cut some of these, and this is lemongrass. This is lemongrass. I cut it and it's gonna spring right back up. Okay, this is lemongrass, fever grass we call it in Jamaica. So I'm at my garden, not my garden, just a side of my garden, and I plant lemongrass. So I'm going to do it with a twist. So stay tuned and follow me. Hey guys, I am back again, and you saw me earlier outside cutting my fever grass. Some people call it lemongrass, but it's fever grass. You can make tea with it. And you know what I'm going to make with it today? I'm going to put it with sorrel. You ever see that before? Sorrel with fever grass, lemongrass, pineapple skin. I'm gonna peel this pineapple and I'm gonna use the skin to draw, and then I put the sorrel, and here's my sugar, and I'm gonna top it up with a piece of ginger. You know me not leaving out my ginger, right? So I'm gonna put the water on the fire to boil. I'm gonna draw this first. This is the lemongrass, okay? And then I put my pineapple skin, and then my sorrel, and I'm gonna make it cool, and then I'm gonna sweeten it with my sugar. You don't want to taste that juice. You won't stop. You won't stop drinking because it's nice. So follow me. Okay? I'm going to wash this. Put my pot on the fire. Stay tuned. Okay? I'm going to wash my ginger. My pineapple. And my lemongrass. On the fire, I put 6 cups of water to boil. Okay. This is my ginger. I'm gonna put it in the blender. Okay. Juice gonna nice. So you see, I have to make juice and I have to eat. All right, gonna put this one away. Wow, I can cut up these. Okay, So I have 6 cups of water. I want it to get thick and nice. Not too hard. John, I put my ginger. Now this in the pot. Yes, I put it in the hot water for it to draw very nicely. And then I had my Jamaican sorrel. It's from Montego Bay. And it's a 1 pound pack. 100% natural sorrel. And because of this, because its sorrel is dry, it have to not draw. I have to make it boiled. Okay? Okay guys, I tell you the water smells so nice. So I'm gonna add my sorrel to this water, let it boil, cook some more. Okay? So when I put it in the water that boiling, look how nice this look already. So I'm gonna have it for some time to boil, like around 20-25 minutes. Okay? Let it boil. I'm gonna put it on low and let it boil. So here goes my sorrel, my lemongrass. Wow. Put it on low. Okay. Okay guys, look at my sorrel. Look at the juice. You see it red and pretty? Look. So I am going to turn it off now and let it sit for another more than half an hour for it to cool and then to drink. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off now. Pretty juice. So, alright, make it sit for half an hour and then I sweeten it and then drink. Okay. Okay guys, hey, this is my sorrel. It's done, right? I put it to cool for more than an hour. So it's well cool that I can strain it off. Okay? My sorrel, my pineapple, and my lemongrass are fever grass. Okay? So I guess this is good. Look at it. So I'm going to strain it off now. And then I get it sweetened. Okay, let me strain it here. It's rich and pretty. It's really rich and pretty. Wow. Let me have this here. Okay. Don't think any more left there. Good. I get a good amount. Okay. Let me take it over here and get it sweet. Okay, I am back on this side. And I have 2 cups of sugar here, but I don't think I'm going to put the 2 cups of sugar. Let me see. Alright, let me sweet and then I see if it needs some more. Lemongrass, pineapple, ginger, and sorrel. I put more than a cup. More than a cup there. I'm just gonna sweet and see if it tastes nice. Okay, let me get a small spoon to give a taste. Oh my gosh, this is lovely. This is lovely. It's a little bit fresh though, but it's lovely. Let me just put a little bit, not all. Okay, let me pour it in this container. And here I have my glass over here. Wow, with my ice. Wow, smells so strong. Everything is smelling. Watch here, good. Okay, here it's go. Here it's go. Voila! Okay guys, see, this is my finishing look. Looking so good. I'm just gonna call my husband to drink some with me. Ozzy!
Yes, honey?
Come on, help me drink, Ben. I'm done.
Oh my, it's looking so
Okay.
nice.
All right. We're gonna cheers for prosperity, long life, okay, and for our channel to grow, and for all our subscribers. We toast to you. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So nice and delicious, honey.
It is so nice.
Yes, guys.
Wow.
Really nice.
Guys, I want you to try this at home. It's very nice. Very, very nice. Lemongrass, pineapple, and my sorrel with some ginger. Oh God, and some sugar when it finished. Bring up the taste. It's so nice.